Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use AI to create your own emails. So let's get right onto it. So for this one, you have to go to this website workspace.google.com/labs-sign-up and the forward slash. And once done, you just have to uh, go over to check the boxes here and you should be good to go. So don't worry, I'll go over and paste this link in the description. And once done, let's try it out. So let's go over to compose and let's zoom it in. And for here, you should see here a new tool here, help me write. And for this one, you just have to tap on that. And this one, you can go ahead and input what you want to email. So for example, birthday invitation for my brother. Let's create. So as you can see, once done with this, you can now copy this and it generates your own emails for you. After that, you just have to go ahead and X this one and paste this on your message. You can also refine this if you want. Like that and paste that and just edit the details here and put your own details in here. And you can also add the subject here, invitation. And you can also write a couple of different ones depending on what you want there. So this tool is very reliable. And there guys, so thank you for watching guys and goodbye. So there guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.